Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to turn off piece animations in chess.com. Now, if you want to not have the animations in chess.com, you just want it to go from one end to the other, one tile to the other, it's actually quite simple. Log into your account, and once you are in your homepage, I want you to look to the lower left-hand corner and click on the settings, the cogwheel icon like so. This pop-up will appear. Now, you want to click on all settings to bring you to the settings page. Now, once you have loaded the settings page, by default, it's going to be on boards and pieces, which is where we want to be. Now, under boards and pieces, it's going to be on boards, right? We want to click on pieces, and then we want to scroll down to the very bottom. And then here, under piece animations, by default, it is going to be turned on, right? If you want to turn this off, all you need to do is click like this to toggle it off or to disable it. After that, you will be good to go. So that is how you deactivate piece animations in chess.com. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.